Hello all and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is AJ and I post new videos every Thursday about baking and lifestyle. On today's episode of Lish the Baker, we are making a strawberry lemonade freezer pie. This is a great recipe for those summer months where you might be craving something sweet, but you don't really want to turn on the oven and heat up your entire house. This recipe is super quick, super easy, and super delicious. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the baking. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go lick the spatula. Sit.
What do you think?